Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is 6:38 a.m. on Monday, September 16th. I'm going to dive right into the NASDAQ futures. I've actually been in the trade for about an hour and a half now. So let's see, let's open up my trade of 8. There we go. All right. As you can see, we broke below this resistance, the support level right here. All right. I'll go ahead and draw a line right here. That's where we broke. Now we're trying to make it back above that. Let me see where the line actually extends to over here. Actually pull this down a little bit. There we go. All right. So the blue line is my entry. And this line that I'm extending is a support / resistance. It's actually a resistance right now. It has been a support, but now it's a resistance. These are 1,000-tick candles. It is 6:39 Monday morning, Central Time. I'm in Lower Louisiana. Currently down 16.50 on this play. So let's see what we can do. Oh, how is it now, Warrior? Cool. All right. Awesome. You can see the charts, man. Thanks for stopping in for sure. I've been in this trade for the past hour and a half. I was watching guy I like to watch. Let me see if I can put him on the phone. He just ended his live stream. I think it's Jay is his name. Let me see. Yeah, 0 Day J. I like watching him. Actually just got off of his stream. Yep. Yeah. He had to go. His son was going to wake up in about an hour. So let's see. Hopefully we can fill all this by today. I think we're going to be a green day. I'm hoping. Yeah, he's funny. How was your morning going? Or is it night for you? Houston. All right, nice. I visit. I've been up that way about 5 times. I used to work for Honda in our training center. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Um, Honda's one of the training centers is in Irving, Texas, which is I think 10 minutes north of Houston. No, or is it that? I believe it's either Houston or Dallas. But Irving's got some good. I like the food, man. They got some good Indian food. Uh, some great taco joints. I love street tacos. Yeah, yeah, North Dallas. About 10 minutes away from the airport. I really enjoyed going up there. Did y'all catch any weather for this past storm? I know I lost power here for about 24 hours, but I had a Java generator, so wasn't too horrible. We're good, man. Family's doing good. My oldest is getting ready for school. Yeah, yeah, it was a cat too. I think the top winds I seen in my house were about 35 miles an hour, so it wasn't too horrible. It's funny, the little subdivision I live in, I'm in the back of it, and only the front had power. Everybody in the back, we lost power for 24 hours. But a lot of people didn't lose power. A lot of people didn't lose power, luckily. It's like it's trying to work its way back up. Barrel came up that way. Yeah, that's rough. 3 days without no power. Did y'all go to a hotel room or somewhere where y'all had power? That's good. The generators come in handy, man. That's a good investment for sure, especially where you live. You live, I live, Mississippi. You need at least about a 5,000 watt generator. I think mine's like 5,700 watts. So I was powering my fridge. I was powering my upstairs AC unit, a couple fans, and then my next door neighbor. I was helping him. I was powering his fridge and his AC unit for him. So you can't beat having one of them. It's a lifesaver for sure, especially if you have children. You know, them kids need AC. I'm okay if I don't have any AC, but you know, the wife and the kids, they like their air conditioning. Oh man, this is brutal. Down 1650. Should start to see a little pop soon. Yeah, I was thinking about getting another one as well, just in case. You never know. Actually, I had to clean my carburetor out on mine the day of because I had just ran it like 6 months prior, so I thought it was all good. But apparently, 6 months with fuel in it, even with a fuel stabilizer, it clogged up my carburetor. So I had to spend like 35 minutes cleaning out my carburetor. And thank God that it started working. Mm-hmm. Yep. What I'm gonna do is every time I start cutting my grass, I cut my grass once a week. I'll start the generator up just to keep it running, just to make sure that the carburetor never gets clogged up. I think even when you had no fuel in it, I think it still can get clogged. Mm-hmm. Sure. And I got a little cheap generator. Actually, the generator that I have, a former coworker of mine gave to me for free because he didn't have the time, and he has a bunch of generators. So he gave me. It's a little eBay one. It's a cheap one. I think brand new. It's like $450, $500. Well, I took and I bought a rebuild kit off of Amazon for like $26. Come with the fuel tank, carburetor, some hoses, the little check valve that you put in line from the carburetor to the, I think the pump. I'm not sure. But yeah, so basically I spent $28 on it. Can't beat it. And I ran it. I ran it for 25 hours straight, and it took like 4 tanks of gas. So I think I spent like $80 on fuel. So for sure, lifesaver. Let's see. Let's see here. See if we could start a trend. Possibly start a trend line doing that. It might keep, might not. Only time will tell. What is warrior for Yahweh? Warrior for Yahweh. Yeah, hopefully we see some green. That'd be nice. Oh. I think if it falls back to the low of the day, I may reverse my bias. Let's see. What's that? 443? Pull that down a little bit. I'll reverse my bias if it gets back below there. I'll be down like 2,500. But hopefully it just goes up. $19,563. Let's see where that's at. Draw a line there. 19,500. You said 563 right there. Is that where your entry point is this morning? 19,563. Okay. How many contracts are you in it at that price level? Okay. 50,000. Okay. Are you close to your stop loss? How much are you currently down? That's quite a ways. I think it'll be a green. I think we're gonna shoot up all the way. We'll see. So if we have another person watching, what's going on? You entered at 19,456. Okay. My apologies. So you're right. Okay, you're at your break even right now. Okay, cool. Good. Let's go look at the hour chart, the hour candles, right? Let's see what the hours look like. Okay, so we're basically at a support right here at this price. Now let's break it down to the 30-minute. We could, I don't know, it could open and fall down to the 19,420s, but I think this might be the low of the day. I hope I'm right. Just go back to the ticks. I like trading 1,000 ticks. I think it flows better. Yeah. Fingers crossed. I already traded my take profit account a couple hours ago, and I managed to get a $2,200 profit on that. So I closed my take profit out. Now this is the Apex eval. So I'm not trying to pass it on the first day. Just trying to get about $4,000. So I have two pro accounts with take profit. I have one account with the new firm, Tradeify. I just opened up last week, and this will be my first, well, not my first, but uh, at Apex eval right now. So I traded my funded accounts, my pro accounts earlier. I really have no feedback yet on Tradeify. I'm only on day number, I think 3 or 4. So far they're okay. I haven't had any too much interaction with them, but we'll see when it's time for a payout. It's I got to trade 10 days, and it's a 20% consistency rule for Tradeify. I got the cheap account, the 50,000 account. Oh, look at it, selling off now. Let's see if it hits my stop loss, which I think it might. Yep, there it goes. Here it goes. It's gonna touch it? No? It wants to eat it.
Stop filled.
Yep. That's not always pretty. So the profit split for them is, yes, 80-20. Yeah, I'm gonna wait to get back in as well. I'm pretty bullish on my bias today, so I'm gonna wait, just like you. Um, could possibly be a red day, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna go in with one.
Order filled.
I'm going just with one. And I'll set my stop. Let me set a stop loss down here at see. Mm, 28.50 is my stop loss. So I'm in at 454. So it needs to go up to back to high of the day, I think, just to make $1,000. No red folders today. Yeah. I'm hoping to make a green day across the board. Last week was a kind of a break even week for me. I think I'm up a total of like 1,200 on everything cash last week. Yeah, we're gonna get it. Just takes patience, takes time. I've had days where I purchased accounts and I passed them on the exact same day, and I've also had times where I bought accounts and traded them for 16 days before I passed them. I try not to go too heavy though. Do you have any funded accounts yet? Or are you still working on evals? I'm gonna go wash my coffee cup. You had three months and blew them. Yeah, been there. I find that once I actually get a funded account, when I got my first funded account, I tend to trade smaller than I would evals. So when I first got funded, I traded it for about 4 or 5 months before I blew it. But my pro accounts that I have so far, I've been having for quite a while now. Okay, Top Step. Top Step was the first combine that I purchased about 4 years ago. Maybe not that. Maybe 3 years ago. This is when I first started getting into futures. I started with Top Step. I currently don't have any Top Steps. I went from Top Step to Elite, then Elite to Apex. Yeah, the price for Top Step is good for sure. I didn't like the 2 week thing. That's kind of what got me was the 2 week evals. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me again. I apologize. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, let's see where my drawdown is. I think 4 grand. Just right under 4 grand. Let's see, it's 7:03. Around 7:30, we'll start to see a little bit more volatility. All right, my brother, I'll be here. Down 2.25. Come on, baby, let's get a push. Push it up, push it up. Well, Bitcoin dropped a little bit. 58,727. That's where Bitcoin's at. 58,727. I don't know if that trend line that I drew earlier is going to hold. Market's down 91.25. Zoom out. We'll see. I think I have a pretty good distance on my stop loss. I don't know. Maybe a red day. We shall see. Oh. Let's see if I turn my coffee pot off. No, still on. Turn that thing off before it burns the coffee. There we go. Starting to see a little push up. Oh, cool. Back in my break even. Very nice. Yeah, we're back in business. Come on, give me another strong push up. There we go. There we go. All right. Still trying to wake up. Maybe I should do some jumping jacks or something, huh? Some push-ups. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Bum, 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 bum. If you're looking for trouble, come to the right place. Bum, 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 bum. Come on, baby. Push up above that little trend line that I drew. That'll be nice. Oh man. Be right back. I'm gonna go take my blood pressure medicine. Be back in about 2 minutes. All right. Ooh, can't forget to take them blood pressure meds. Okay, here we go. Starting to see a little bit of movement. 7-Eleven. Come on. Come on. Let's get a nice push up here. Can it hold it? Can it hold it? We shall see. Come on, man. Red folder event in 13 minutes. um, I don't know if that applies to Apex. Let me see. Economic calendar. Empire State Manufacturing Survey. So the only ones that I know of that we can't trade are non-farm payrolls, unemployment rates, Fed rates, FOMC, GDP, CPI, crude oil, and the officials, their speeches. So Powell and all them. Today is the only one we have today. Empire State Manufacturing. That's what I'm seeing on Market Watch. Well, I hope it holds here. check my camera, see if my kiddos are up. I don't know if my wife's awake or not. What the hell? No, kiddos are still asleep. Is there groceries in my front door? Oh, shoot. I gotta go get these groceries off the front door, off my front step. I'll be right back. Be right back in 15 minutes. I shall return. Oh, these damn groceries. Well, all right. All right. Looks like it's. Oh no. I don't want to reverse my bias, but it looks like I'm going to have to. We'll see. Hmm. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Let's get some buying pressure, man. See the tick stream in QU4. Is it in Q? In Q. Q4. There we go. Let's see, let's filter up to 2. Well, if it takes this stop loss out, I will wait. See what I'm at, 3,700. See, there's a bunch of buying at 434.50. $435. So it might hold strong here. Only time will tell. If it takes it out, I'll just wait. I'm hoping it don't take it out. I gotta put these darn groceries up. My wife said she ordered some groceries, but I didn't know it was coming this freaking early. Super early. Let me see if she's up. She's sleeping still. Looks like my baby's up. $58.574. All right. Let's see. Let's put these damn groceries up. Where are we at? Let's see. 436. Okay. My stop's at 428. All right. My wife bought a bunch of Arizona teas. I don't drink it, she does. I'm a water kind of person. Put this up here. Let's see, we get the bounce back. starting to see a little bounce back, hopefully. All right, good. Starting to see it. Let's go. Go. Over. All right, I think it might be turning around. Oh. Sure works. Hot dog. Baby food. What the hell? Some more milk chip. Hot dog. All right, starting to pull up a little bit. Peanut butter, tomato sauce. What time is it? 7:32. Waiting to see if they break out 431 level. Okay. Yeah, I hope so. We're at 4. There we go. 441. Where's it at now? 445. Holding at 440, 445. Let's see, what is it doing now? Looks like it's fighting for the position. It's fighting for it, for sure. Hawaiian rolls, mozzarella and blueberries. Nope. No, it's about to eat my stop. Come on. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Ooh. 428.50 is my stop. It almost ate it. It almost ate it for breakfast. Let's see. We'll see. That was close. That was close. Oh, they fighting. Yep. They fighting. Alright. Put all this on here. I guess I can put this in the deep freezer. Ain't got no room in there. Come on. It'd be nice to get this level held. I'm almost done putting this stuff up. Come on. Come on. All right. Go back over here to the 16. It's gonna eat it. It's gonna eat it. Ooh, and it's gonna take it.
Stop filled.
Yeah, it took it. There it goes. They fighting. Bulls are losing right now. All right, I'm just gonna wait it out. 3,500. It's below the VWAP. Yeah, I might do the same. Wait for the open. Get some more price action. Let me look at the 5-minute charts. Oh, I hate to miss out on all that.
Order filled.
I hate to miss out on all that if it does decide to skyrocket, right? It's funny, you looking at the NASDAQ, but Bitcoin's following the same trend as the NASDAQ is. Oh yeah, a lot of money on the table, most definitely. Bitcoin's fighting for its life as well. It's at 58,540. It's down a couple $100 on the hour. That's one thing I don't like to leave money on the table. Let's see. I'm gonna do this quick little gamble. See if I can't make 500-600 back real quick. Let's see what this candle does first.
Order filled.
Going with 10 real quick. Just watch my stop. See if I can't make a couple dollars back real fast. Come on. Come on. Push up. Come on. Where are you going? Where are you going? I have a feeling it's going to reverse. Come on. Come on. Reverse for me. Reverse for me. Come on. It's not going to reverse. All right, let me get out.
Order filled.
I'm going to get out of that one. She didn't like that. She did not like that. Now she wants to do a little pop. Pop, 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 pop.
Order filled.
Oh, the children are up. My youngest is a trip. Come on. Come on. There we go. Push it. 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 There we go. Mmm. Come on. There it goes. Come on. Yeah, it ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere anytime soon.
Stop filled.
I think it's gonna fall. Bitcoin made a little recovery. Gap down. Anyway.
Order filled.
Come on. Come on. Oh, what the hell. I hate when that happens. Most likely we'll get a big pullback on an open, but we will see. Yeah, I think you're right. I think you are right. Ugh. These kids are nuts. Tell my wife to bring them a bottle of milk. Mhm. Come on, fight for it. Fight for it. 746. There we go. Come on. No, she don't like it. She don't like it. I think I'm gonna exit this trade and do what you're doing. Just wait for the market to open. Yeah, I got it.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna sit and watch it for a second. Oh, oh, my freaking back keeps popping. Oh yeah, they're up. I'm gonna go bring them a bottle of milk real quick. I think my wife's in the shower. Y'all could probably hear him up there yelping. Be right back. Oh, where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Gotta go take care of them damn kids. Whew. All right, where we at? 7:51. All right. I, I don't think it's gonna be a green day today, guys. I wanted it to be, but I guess we'll just have to short instead. Could get a bounce off of this though. We are right here. Could possibly start to see a push up. We shall see. All right. Yeah, for sure. I don't know. Could we could be surprised and see it start to jump up. The opening will be the big tell. Yes, this is true. Gotta delete all these damn emails. So many junk mail. It's unfreaking real. So I gotta delete junk mail 5 times a day. That's what it feels like. U.S. stocks may lack direction ahead of the Fed announcement. Following the strong upward movement last week, stocks may show lack of direction early morning Monday. Major index futures currently pointing roughly flat open. Market S&P's down by 1%. All right, 5,000 emails. I would go crazy. I'm such a neat freak. I'm literally checking my Gmail all freaking day. It's all most of it's spam. Maybe 4 to 5% of it's actual stuff that I keep in store. A lot of it I just junk it. Hey, let's go, man. Start to see a push. We can get rid of this trend line, right? go ahead and delete, get rid of it because it clearly was not a trend line. This looks more like a trend line right here. That looks more like a trend. Alright. Push, push, push. Well, let's see. What's your profit goal for today? Okay. Gotcha, gotcha. Understood. Understood. Yeah, I guess for me for the evals, I don't really have a set price, but on my pro accounts, I kind of want to do anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 a day. That way, I know I take home is always going to be 50% of that because you have to pay your dues, and then you save. I save about 40% for Uncle Sam at the end of the year. So if you make $5 grand, you really don't make $5 grand. You know, you make close to 2,500. So in order to to live comfortably every day, I shoot for 1,400 to 2 grand. And once I hit that on my pro accounts, I don't trade it for the rest of the day. Some days, it'll be like $800, and at that specific moment, I'll feel like it's good enough, so I'll just close it out. Let's go to 30-minute candle, see what that looks like. So 30-minute candle, the lowest would be here at, what's that, 397. Now, if we break below the 397, of course, it's gonna keep falling. If we break 397, we could look forward to 344-ish. So if it falls, that's where it's going to fall to. Make your money and run. Yep. That's the name of the game. Get a little chilly in here. Market's starting to wake up. Market is starting to wake up. See what Bitcoin's doing. And then, of course, if it goes up, we have to look forward to this price level, 19,480. So this is where we're playing, I guess, right now within these ranges, 19,480 and 19,398. Bitcoin, Bitcoin. What are we doing? $58,753 is my entry. Starting to see. Um, hey, come on. If it breaks above this trend line right here, I'm gonna go ahead and hop in along. But if it's got to break the trend line and then hold a candle above it, that's what I want to see, and then I'll go long. But until then, I'm not gonna go long. Put that right there. Sounds good in theory until it reverses course. Uh, Come on, Bitcoin. Mm. 803, 803. No, man. UBS lifts European gas price forecast for Q4. Let's see. I'm gonna raise this up a little bit. Start to see it go here. I'm gonna get in one.
Order filled.
Alrighty. Want some eggs, babe?
No, it's okay.
Alrighty. You ever heard of that little trick where you smell the alcohol swab and it gets rid of nausea?
Yeah, it doesn't really help.
Uh,
Tried it when I'm at work.
That's what I heard somebody say on YouTube.
Like it helps a little bit once you remove it.
Oh, yeah.
It's gone. I tried to order some meat, but it looked like they didn't have it.
What kind of meat?
I pork chops and chicken.
So they had three things in red meat. I put one in the freezer. I kept stirring them, warm them all up. Put hot dogs down here. I put some of the other stuff.
So then you have to,
Breakfast.
it's the,
What?
Hawaiian rolls.
Yeah, there's some.
Oh.
There is-
That's the hot dog. But I thought the rolls would make it easy.
Oh, these are the only two Hawaiians that come in.
I didn't see the thing for that.
You can still make it with the hot dogs. The hot dog ones.
And those are some, they won't get good.
I put let's see, pork, the Salisbury steaks, lasagna, the broccoli, got meatballs, 2 shrimps. There's some other meats that I'm in the freezer.
I don't know if I should do milk.
Do the other milk, the almond stuff.
It's fine. You don't get bad again.
There's not another medicine they can prescribe you?
Hmm?
There's not another medicine they can prescribe you for that?
I'm the only one that, I don't even know if it helps, it just puts me to sleep. I don't even know if it really gets some medicines on here.
15 more minutes. Ooh, I'm tired. Fight for it. Fight for it. You gotta fight for your right to party. All right. Now that I want it to fall, it's gonna go slightly up. Of course. There we go. Come on. Push down a little bit. We got one person in the stream. Is that you, Warrior? Or is that somebody else? Close my Bitcoin now. Oh, them kids was loud. I don't know if y'all can hear them footsteps. I feel like once the market opens, it's gonna fall like 25, 30 bucks. All right. I see you back, Warrior. What's going on? You at work? Or you off on this Monday? Taking along nice? Okay. Well, I'm currently in a short. Just playing with micros right now. Work, all right. Where you work at? Out in Houston, Texas. Oh, okay, I see. Nice. IT is a good it's a good career, especially if you freaking in it for 35, 40 years, man. Them guys, I know some IT guys for the company that I used to work for, and they did fairly well. And I know in Texas they pay more cost of living, of course. Oh, that's okay. Me too. I'm all over the place as well. I gotta keep my little ones in check if my wife goes to sleep. Oh, IT for Tesla? Nice. Nice. We have a Tesla, I think it's a dealership down here by me. I was a mechanic for Honda and Mercedes. Um, I thought about going to Tesla, but I don't know. Yeah, but I'm done with working on cars, man, especially for dealerships. Too many politics, so much stuff. Somebody's always trying to screw you over. So I quit like 3 weeks ago. Tesla's not worth it. Yeah, I kind of got that notion. I just invest in Tesla, put a couple dollars every week into it. I'd rather own Tesla than work for Tesla, you know? Somebody texted me. The kosher hot dogs and hours. Yeah, got those. Seven more minutes. I think it's gonna fall. Might start to reverse here. We'll see. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Starting to get a little rocky. So let me do a push up. Almost there. Yes, sir. There it goes. What's it gonna do? Is it gonna break it, or is it just gonna fall? Looks like it's gonna break it. Two more minutes. Depending on what happens to this account, I'll switch to another one. Switch to another account. I'll just see what happens with this one. Oh, let me stand up for a second. I'm getting sore. I don't know if you heard that. My lower back freaking popped. My lower back always pops. Anytime I sit down for anything longer than 10, 15 minutes, my lower back starts to get cramped up. Here you go. Moment of truth. T minus 1 minute. Oh, stretch that lower back out. All right, guys. Moment of truth right here. Is it gonna fall? I think it's gonna fall.
Stop fill.
All right, ate that one up. Let's see what it does off this little tricky trend line that I drew right here. All right, man. Y'all be safe. I'll be safe in this market. Oh, it ate my stop and then it fell. Look at that. Ain't that miserable?
Order filled.
Oh, I know that was short. 1 micro. I'm in with 1 micro. See what we got. It might hold this downward trend line, honestly. Let's go. Let's go. You're going long, right, Warrior? Okay. Good choice. We don't know what this market's going to do. Speaking of junk email, Weeble. Huh? There we go. Sort of buyback right there. Pull it down a little bit right there. Zoom out a little bit. Just drag this trend line down a little further to right there. I'm going to drag this down just a little bit. That's good enough right there. Drag it down a little bit more. There we go. Yeah, it is melting. Let's see where that, let's go back to the 30-minute and see where it's going to fall to. Wow, look at that. Look at that 30-minute candle, right? So it fell past that. So the next place to go is going to be roughly right here, which is already there. I already touched it. And then after that, we're looking at this price level right here. Right. This might be a good spot to get in for a long since it already touched that that price. Let's go back to the ticks. See where I bounced off of that support right there. I'm gonna close this right out.
Order filled.
And I'm gonna go long.
Order filled.
Since it already just touched this 342, it's touching it again. So let's see if it holds it. If it don't hold it, it's gonna fall to that next line down here at 19.2. So it might hold this one, 1943-ish. Let's see what happens. Because I'll be quick to just go back into a short. I'll set my stop down here at 322. Somewhere around there. I'll set my stop. And I'll reverse if I have to. Come on. There we go. There we go. Come on. If it breaks above that 355, I'll add one. Let me drag it up a little bit though. I don't want it right there. I want it like right there. Put it above these last two big two candles right here. Mm-hmm. Green's good. Green is good. We like green. Bitcoin got liquidated. Come on.
Stop filled.
There it goes. Come on. Push. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Now, is it going to bounce off of this? I'm going to sell one right here. If it so happens to fall down, I'll at least catch a little bit of that profit. But hopefully it just does like a bouncy house. It pops up. Come on, no.
Stop
I
filled.
already sold that one. This will stay in this one then. Oh, wow. Come on. Go ahead. Push it. Oh, there goes my phone. Man, I'm always dropping my phone. It's about time for a new one anyway. Come on. Come on. It's going to go up. It's going to go up. Give it a second. Give it a second. Come on, baby. Come on. All right. I think we're gonna start to see a nice big green candle. Or not. I don't know. This trend line here is acting as a heavy resistance. But once we break it, it's going to go up. It's going to go back up to like 445 if it breaks that trend. I'm going to place another buy right here. Right at that trend line that I drew earlier. Come on, push it. It wants to go. It wants to go. I can see it now. That's what it wants to do. Well, that's what we want it to do. I don't know if that's what it wants to do, but I know that's what we want. Right there. Let's make it happen. There it is. Come on. Come on. Don't fail us. Do not fail us. Oh, I'm going.
Order filled.
One more. One more long. Come on. I have faith. I have faith that it's going to break it. All right. You could break that level right there. That's the level we need broken. 383. 383. Bust it. Bust it. Bust right through. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. Sell one right there just in case. Bring it up a little bit. I don't want to leave any of that on the table. Let's go. It's right. Let's go. Follow that trend line. Break through that resistance. Oh, there it is. Come on, warrior. Come on, warrior. Let's hold it. Let's hold it and keep going. Bring that up a little bit. Come on. Let's hold it. Let's hold it. Let's hold it. Push it. Push it. Push it. This way. This way. Follow my mouse. Follow my mouse. Bring this little one contract up a little bit. Come on. What you think? We're gonna go? We're gonna go. It's gonna go. It's gotta go. It's gotta go up. Gotta go up. Let's go. It has to do it. No, where are you going? Pull you up just a little bit. Come on now. Come on now. This is it. This is where it's at. Let me draw a Fibonacci real quick and see what that looks like, right? So take a fib. I'm gonna go.
Stop filled.
Should go a little higher than that. Trying to get that key level right there. Let's put that right there and pull this down a little bit. Yeah. Then we could take a regular line. Do that right there. That looks good, don't it? Looks about right. Oh, it sold one of my minis. I just realized that one of my positions was on. Let's go. I'm gonna add one more mini.
Order filled.
And I'll set 2 to sell at the price level of 357. 357. That's where we'll set them at. Just let that roll. See what happens. Go use the restroom real quick. Be right back. We went up to that. What's that? The 50% bid? Let's see. Wash my hands. You got it for 126. Good, good, man. You locked it in. Oh, okay. 126 was a high. Gotcha. I think it's going to go higher, honestly. Once it breaks past this 38.2, hypothetically, it should go to that 50. I could bring my take profit, put it right here, put it right there. Yeah, that'll work. Let's go. Come on, bust through. There it goes. There it goes. Let's do a 38%. Come on. Oh. All right, looks like it might have a little bit of trouble going through that. It might pull back. You are eating, man. Great trade. Well, I appreciate it. I did lose some earlier, so just glad I'm up on my pro account. This is nice. This is a good trade. Are you in it still? Are you currently still in your long position? There we go. Push it. Push it. I'll bring my stop loss up a little bit. All right. Bring it right there. And might take it out. Bring it down just a little bit right there. I want to get as much as I can out of this trade. Go, 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 go. Okay. Hey, better than losing. Always, always be safe. Sure. You got it, though, bro. Let's see what this is going to play out to look like. Broke through the 23. It's about to 38. There we go. Look at that. Look at that candle, huh? That's a nice. I mean, 411 to 436. Wow. It's a crazy push. Jeez. That's awesome. It's a great push. Can it push through the 50? Can it push through the 50? Yes, sir. I think I'll pull my stop loss up a little bit to about right. Let's see. How far is that from that one? 420, $455 below that level. Come on. Can it touch 19563? Let's see. 19563. Where's that price at? Wow, that's up there, huh? 563 is all the way up here. I mean, it can touch it. 563. That's pretty much right at this 100%. It's right there at that 100%. I'm not going to say it's going to hit it, but it could. I mean, look where it's at right now compared to the low of the day. Low of the day was what, down here at 19,329. 19,329, and it's at 19,428. So it's up 100. It's up $100 from the low of the day. That's a nice push, nice green candle. Yeah, with no news. I mean, granted, the market's still down 80 points on the day. This is still a nice uptrend for sure. I think it's going to pull back all the way to this 38% mark, though. Let me pull this trend line up a little bit. Well, it's going to fall here. That's what I think it's going to do. Most likely. As long as I guess as long as I'm in the green, I'll just keep this trade open. Maybe I'll add another micro to it. I'm not sure.
When I go back up there, I'm gonna get you a book.
See. Dollar edge down, last one. CPI. Hey, buddy.
Say good morning.
Good morning, Daddy.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
What's your name?
What's my name? My name's Christian. Psych. What's your name? Your name's Christian.
Get you a book.
Book. What you gonna read? Green eggs and ham?
No, it's not.
It's still spinning.
Come on. Let's go. Let's go back there.
Yeah. Water.
Nice. Nice push. Let's go. There it is. Break it. Break the 50. Break the 50. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. That's cool. It's a nice, come on. Come on. Break it. Break it and hold it. Break it and hold it. Oh. Might start turning around on this. I have to just go ahead and exit this. Right? I'm up to something on this. I don't know. I'll hold it. Hold it. I don't want to prematurely exit if it's just going to reverse and keep going up. What I'll do is I'm going to hold it until it gets to right here. This is either where it's going to fall or go up. I think. Yeah. I think I was at 300 at one point, but I didn't get out. I'm just holding it. Might add one more. I don't know.
Order filled.
Oh, shucks, that was two more. That was an accident. I didn't mean to do two micros. So what I'll do is I'll put a sell right here to sell one of them if it goes back up there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Come on. You seen that shit? It's gonna bounce back up. That was crazy. That was a nice sell. Whoever got to that short. If you would have short about 30 or 40 contracts, that would have been nice. Come on. I had the quantity set to 2, not realizing it, and I was meaning to go long with one more, but it went in long with 2 more. That's all right. I'm gonna sell one above the entry of where I got in with 2. If it goes back up, I think it will. Come on. 19,450. 19,450. 19,450. Eat it. Go. Eat it. Go. It's got it. It's got it. There's too much buying pressure for it not to get it.
Order filled.
There it was. Filled that one cell. Nice. Let's go. Nice. Look at that. What is that? The 61%? Take these 3. Put these right here at 437. Some change. I think any moment now it could just fall out. So I put my little parachute right here. Yeah, I think it's gonna go up. What time is it? 9:07. Okay. There it goes. I think it's gonna go. I think it's gonna shoot up. No, shoot down. I think it's gonna shoot somewhere. 636. Come on. Just down a little bit. This trend line's pretty solid. Oh, is it gonna eat it?
Stop filled.
Yep. It ate it. It ate it. Now let's see if this turns into a resistance. Looks like it, huh?
Order filled.
Short. Short with 3. Fall, 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 fall. Lock in some of that profit right there. Scroll that down just a little bit.
Stop filled.
All right. Yeah, a little bit. A little bit. Now I'm just going to wait to play and see what it does with this level right here. 38.2. It may sustain it or it may just fall. Don't know. Oh. Oh, that was nice and quick. Quick drop. I think that got some. Might just be a fake out, honestly. Might just be a fake out. Change this from 3 to 1.
Order filled.
Along with 1. Set a stop right there. Let's bring that up just a little bit. Look at it, push. It's pushing. I don't want to bring the stop loss too close. Wow, it's retesting that. What level is this? 50% level. Ooh, it almost touched that stop. Oh, ooh, ooh, oh.
Stop filled.
That's going to fall back to that 38, probably. Let's bring this over a little bit so we can see it. Yeah. Let's get this thing out of here. This ain't no longer a thing. So now it broke that upwards trend level. It tried to retest it. So now I'm curious to see if we're going to start falling again or resustain that that bullish move. Yeah, it's all right. Sure. Uh, let's see what happens with this trend line. If it breaks it, if it breaks back above it, I'm gonna go long. I want to see a nice big break though. I don't want to see like a little small $3, $4 break. I want to see like a $7, $8, $9, $10 break for sure. All right. This candle will be my deciding factor to go long or short. Let's see, so 452. It's about $8 up. I don't know. It's kind of a weak candle. Yeah, I'm short. I'm gonna short right there.
Order filled.
I might be wrong, but it don't look like it can get past that price. Might be wrong. There's too much selling pressure. No? No? Is it gonna go back? Yeah, the bulls are strong. Gotta give it a shot though. Can't hurt too bad. Where you going, price action? You going up or you going to go down? There you go. There you go. Sell another one.
Order filled.
There we go. I just had a feeling. I had a feeling it was gonna be a red candle. Buy one back right there.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
A couple little small scalps. Oh, I should have stayed in that damn short. Look at that. That thing kind of just carried over this way. Let's see what happens with that one. Only 3, 4.
Order filled.
Set my stop right here. There we go. Push. 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 You have no clue today? Yeah, me neither. That's why I'm kind of just getting in and getting out, getting in and getting out with small ones, you know? So it's just choppy. It's up, down, up, down, up, down.
Stop filled.
Let's see what happens with this candle. You're currently in a long. Okay. What's your entry? What price are you entered in? I'm gonna go along with you too. I'm gonna do 2 longs. I'm gonna go in
Order filled.
at 19,444. 19,444. Let's go. And you're in at 19,453. 19,4536. 19,453. If you got in at 453, then you're currently down just a little bit. Oh, 19,436. All right. Let's see. All right, so you're right pretty much at your break even. All right. Well, hopefully we can sustain. Damn. Come on. Hold that 38%. Go, go, go. Hold the 38%. I'm telling you. Push it. Push it. Push it, push it, push it. Oh, you stopped out? Damn. Sorry about that. I might get out of this short. Yeah. I mean, I might get out of this long. It's starting to turn into a horrible trade. Down 130. Come on. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Order filled.
I went in with 8 just to see. I'll probably get stopped out as well. I'm at the lower end of the drawdown. I like $400 to play with. Come on. Push it. Yeah, we all have not good days, man. It happens. It happens. But if you could have 3 good days and 2 bad days, then I think you're doing well. You know, we all want all 5 days to be green for sure, but not in the real world, man. I think I may have a couple weeks where I had all green days. You know, $200 day, $1,000 day, but that's rare. It happens, but it's rare. Come on. Push it up for me. Push it up for me. Come on now. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Or maybe you can't do it. Maybe you just don't want to do it. That's the problem. The market don't want to do what we want it to do. It's like a child that does what it wants. even though it knows what it has to do, it doesn't want to do it for you. I'll probably get stopped out anytime soon as well. Another $200. Unless it hurt, just reverses and goes up. That 38.2 is pretty strong now. Might break it. There it goes. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna get out of it. I'm gonna get out of it. I'm gonna stay in it. I'm gonna get out. Push. Up. 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 It's gonna stop me out any second now. I think like $420. Nope. Yeah, it's gonna stop me out.
Order filled.
Boom. Told you. Told you it was gonna stop me out, man. Liquidation. That's not always fun. That's not fun. Dang it is correct. Poops.